In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix FIFA World Cup login and verification code problem. Let's get started. First, make sure you are entering the correct email and password. A lot of time, login issues happen just because of a small typo or using the wrong account. Double check everything and try again. If you're not receiving the verification code, check your spam or junk folder in your email. Sometimes the code gets filtered there instead of your main inbox. Also, make sure your email is entered correctly and does not have any extra spaces or spelling mistakes. Next, wait a few minutes and request a new code. During peak traffic, the verification email can be delayed, so don't spam the resend button too quickly. Just wait a moment and try again. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Likewise, you can also give a fresh restart to your router if you're using Wi-Fi. If the issue still continues, clear your browser cache or app cache. Older corrupted data can cause login loops and verification failures. After clearing it, restart the app and try logging in again. If you're having issues in the web version, you can try to log in the app. So navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app, install it. Now try to log in using the app. And finally, if nothing works, the problem could be on the server side of FIFA World Cup, or your account might need support. In that case, you can contact FWC customer support and wait for assistance. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.